Hey Chris, how you doing? Troy Brown here with TLC Web Marketing. I wanted to get this video off to you, and I'm basically just going to share with you the top 3 things that Google weighs most heavily when looking at a website and getting it to rank. And so the first thing is content, second thing is backlinks, and the third is citations. And we'll probably do content, citations, and backlinks in that order. The first thing here, looking at your content, I like how this website's laid out. Great pictures of the ladies there. And you've got a fair amount of content here, which is really good, more than most. Looking to me like you've got about 800 or 900 words. So believe it or not, Google likes to see a minimum of 1,500 words on the home page with the keywords that you're trying to rank for. So just looking at this, you've really got some good content, more than you have about your 80% over your competition as far as content. One thing I like to do here, content for pictures. Okay, so see, somebody labeled these properly, Denver kitchen remodeling. Bathroom remodels, Sander and Sons. Okay, not bad. These can also have other keywords in there for each one of these. And so they have the same, each one's labeled the same, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but you could utilize different keywords that you're trying to rank for and put them in the tags and titles for the images. So that's content. I went ahead and did a search actually under Kitchen Design Denver, and currently you are ranking for that search word. You guys are in number 16th position. So what I did though is I went and looked at the top 3 competitors here. When you do this search, Kitchen Design Denver, you've got the top 3 in the map pack here. They're actually allowing an ad in here now. This is called the map pack, and these 3 get called a lot. So if you guys wanted to take a look, you can make your own GMB account, your Google My Business account, and optimize it. We do that for quite a few of our clients also. So looking at the competition, the Kitchen Showcase, number 1. We got questions, then we have directory here with house. My EK Design is in number 2 position, and bkckitchenandbath.com is in number 3 position. So I went ahead and took a look at those, just so you know. Here's number 1, the Kitchen Showcase. You can see they actually have a video, rotating video, which is kind of the cutting edge of what people are doing now. They're doing videos in their headers like this. This is an updated site for sure. And then take a look at their content. They got some pictures, images. See how that's coming up. Just labeled as download 1, so their labels for their pictures and titles are not being utilized right there. So fair amount of content, mostly images, so this company could really take advantage of labeling their pictures properly. Then My EK Design, exquisite kitchen design. They don't have video, but they've got a scrolling model here. So look at how much content they have, images. See if they've got these labeled. Nope, don't have their images titled with keywords. Excuse me. So they hardly have any content whatsoever. Maybe 200 words. And then we go to BKC, Kitchen and Bath. Nice header shot, rotating pictures, no video. And then look at their content. So not a whole lot of content. So you really would be able to take advantage of the power of content by adding 1,500 words to your homepage with keyword-rich content. And then the second thing I want to talk about is citations. So if we go here and we look in the map pack, this is EK. So this is the Google My Business account. I'm not sure if you guys have one. If you don't, you can do that yourself. If you do, you can optimize it, make it better. But primarily, a citation is very simple. It's NAP, name, address, phone number. So name of the business, address, phone number, and a citation is how many times do those three pieces of information appear across the internet outside of your website. So that's what a citation is, and those can be placed in directories, all kind, blogs, articles, anything like that. So those are citations. Now, what I did for backlinks is I took the competition and threw them in a little tool I have here called arifs. And this line here is probably most important. This UR rating is the popularity of the website, pretty high here with 35. 21, the DR is the strength of the site. So we got the popularity of the site, strength of the site. They're in number one position. They're pushing over 3,700 backlinks and 3,700 keywords. Not quite sure why they feel the need to have that many in there, but we'll just keep moving and you can kind of see in contrast. So this is interesting. So my EK design is doing very well. They're in the second position. They have 32 on the popularity, only 15 on their DR, which is a little low, but less than 1,000 backlinks and right at 500 organic keywords. So that tells me that these backlinks are fairly powerful. Sorry. Here's number 3, BKC. You can see 34, 20, again, a bunch of backlinks, 3,200 backlinks, 2,000 organic keywords. And then here's Kitchens of Denver, which is your company. And you've got a 29, very good on your popularity, but the strength of the website is down to only a 5. So if we want to contrast that even here in the middle with my EK design, 32 and 15. So you got a 29 and a 5, so you're almost there on the popularity. So my suggestion would be add stronger, more relevant backlinks and add about 250 or 300 of them. And then keep your keywords the same, but you're going to have to change up the keywords to match relevant backlinks so that you are actually qualifying the website for the proper keyword search. So yeah, I hope that helped, my friend. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, but you can use any and all of these tips to increase the popularity and visibility of your website. Thanks.